In this video we're gonna perform a quick unboxing of Nothing Phone 3A Pro. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside the box and what accessories do we get. So after removing the box, this is how it looks like. We can open the box like this. We have our welcome message. Here is our phone. We're gonna take it out, but we're gonna show you later. First, what we can get inside. Of course, the USB-C cable. That looks pretty neat. We have USB-C on both ends. We have the eject tool for the SIM tray over here. And of course, some papers with the QR code. It contains some information. And that is essentially it. So nothing much inside this box, apart from essentials really, so the charging cable and the SIM eject tool, and that is pretty much all. So now we're gonna go to the phone, and let me quickly unpack it. There we go, here is our phone. Let's take a look at the back. Of course we have a bunch of cameras, the flashlight. We also have LED lights over here. This is one, this is second, and the third one. On the right side of the phone, we have the power button here, the essential key. And on the left side, we have volume keys, so volume up and volume down. The top looks like this. And at the bottom, the charging port, speakers, the microphone, and the SIM tray. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!